A taxi operator remains in hospital with serious injuries following an altercation with another taxi operator along Caledonia Road in Mandeville, Manchester yesterday. Now, in a video circulating on social media, it started with one of the men severely beating the other with a piece of wood. He then got into his public passenger vehicle and drove over the man, resulting in multiple broken bones and fractures. The victim, 56-year-old Dalton Greenwood, was assisted to hospital where he's been admitted in serious condition. Now, the suspect, 42-year-old Nickland Scott, is now in police custody and is facing a charge of attempted murder. It's understood that the two taxi operators who ply the Mandeville to Spurtree route were on the taxi stand when an argument developed over a passenger. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says investigators will be using the footage as part of evidence gathering.
Like you're going to go to the court. The last time I spoke with the investigators, it's likely that the person in custody will be charged, and they're hoping that the person that's in the hospital will recover